Welcome to BikeBlasters, your go-to channel for everything on two wheels. Today we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory, a superbike that's as fierce on the track as it is stunning on the streets. Built with Italian craftsmanship and engineered for performance, the RSV4 Factory sets new standards for power, agility, and cutting-edge technology in the world of sport bikes. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory boasts a sleek, aggressive design inspired directly by its racing heritage. Every detail of this bike is focused on aerodynamics, from the integrated winglets to the sculpted tank and sharp tail section. With carbon fiber accents and a distinctive livery, the RSV4 Factory looks as fast as it rides. Its lightweight frame ensures both stability at high speeds and razor-sharp handling in corners, making it a standout machine whether on the track or the road. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 RSV4 Factory is powered by a 1099cc V4 engine that delivers over 215 horsepower. This bike offers explosive acceleration and a thrilling top end, making it one of the most powerful superbikes on the market. The RSV4 Factory's race-tuned suspension and adjustable electronics allow riders to dial in the perfect setup for any riding condition, ensuring maximum performance whether you're chasing lap times or carving up your favorite canyon roads. Technology and features. Aprilia has packed the 2025 RSV4 Factory with advanced technology, giving riders the ultimate control. The bike features a full electronic suite, including multiple riding modes, adjustable traction control, wheelie control, and engine braking management. The large TFT display provides real-time data, and the built-in GPS lap timer is perfect for track day enthusiasts. Additionally, the bike's electronic suspension automatically adapts to riding conditions, providing the best possible performance and comfort at any speed. Track and street performance. Whether you're on the track or on the street, the RSV4 Factory excels. Its agility is unmatched, with its precise handling and advanced braking system offering confidence and control in every turn. The seamless power delivery ensures an exhilarating ride on the straights, while the sophisticated electronics keep the bike planted through corners. This is a machine built to dominate the racetrack while still being fully capable of offering a thrilling ride on everyday roads. Conclusion. The 2025 Aprilia RSV4 Factory is the pinnacle of superbike engineering, offering a perfect blend of power, precision, and cutting-edge technology. For riders who demand the very best in performance and design, this is a machine that delivers on all fronts. For more exciting bike reviews and insights, be sure to stay tuned to BikeBlasters, where we bring you the latest in the world of motorcycles.